This patient, let's call him Gio Mormont. He's appeared on Wax Off before with tissue fibres in his ears which were causing huge amounts of broken skin and inflammation. But today his ears look completely different. Bismillah, here we go. Generously oiled, and just like that, almost suspiciously easy. One complete piece. Let's clear the oil. Interestingly, it hasn't made it beyond the second bend, and underneath a beautifully clear eardrum. Look at the difference from last time. Right ear now, darker, harder, and definitely more waxy. This was particularly difficult at the last appointment to come out. Let's see what happens. The oil is in. Immediate attachment, but this one isn't quite as cooperative. Suction isn't going to win this one, it's way too hard. So time for the Jobson Horne Probe. I'm using the small ring curette or scoop, and it is beautifully scooped out in one, complete with a little keratin tail. But the wax isn't actually the most interesting part of this case. Look at the skin now. Since Gio stopped pushing tissue into his ears after a shower every morning, the broken skin and inflammation we saw last time have virtually disappeared. What a difference! See you in the next one. And in this next one, her ear canal was almost too narrow to remove this.